Good afternoon, everybody. It's 12:01. There's a new here, and today I'm going to be showing you this Bosch Value Perfect Series 4 washing machine. This is a brand new washing machine that my auntie got a few months back, and it's a very nice machine. And it has some functions. It looks like a backhoe, but it is not. Anyway, here's some of the functions it has. So, obviously the machine is carbon stick, I don't know why. But there is the customer service there. WAN28201GB -26. This was made in probably sometime this year. Probably sometime last year, probably, because I've seen this since I saw this on first time Boxing Day. It used to be a candy machine, I believe. But anyway, this is the drum. It's I'm not sure on kilograms. It doesn't tell you how many kilograms this washing machine is, so I wouldn't know how many kilograms it's on. It is glass. And you've got metal door hinges, like the Hoover dryer, which has plastic door hinges, and this is a lot better quality. This is a brushless motor and metal pedals on the drum. So it's a very good quality drum there, and you've got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you've got 16 functions in total. See the RPM, you can select your RPM. It tells you how many times it's finished in as well. Speed, you can have eco, because this is an energy saving model. Reduced ironing, Aqua Plus, and start and reload. And some spins. It's very well for user display. We're not going to turn it on though, because I don't stop this machine, I don't. This is a very good quality machine. Here is the filter, which can be painted open. Detergent drawer. This is just like a backhoe detergent drawer. That's where your max line there. That's where your detergent goes. Well, detergent continue to go in here. So yeah, I think my aunt uses powder. My nan uses powder. I asked her and she said she uses powder, so that's pretty good. Yeah, very nice. It's a lovely Bosch machine. No, she doesn't. But this machine's is not in bad condition yet. So yeah, and this is a very nice Bosch washing machine. Good quality as well. Of course, this is a Polish machine as well, so good quality. Talking about backhoes, unfortunately, there's a new fridge freezer has been replaced with this junk here. Generic backhoe fridge freezer, which I don't like. I'm not a fan of backhoe. In fact, I never will be.
Yeah.
Anyway. It's got the little fan at the back.
Right. We went past
My carer, she actually has a hot point, and my friend Lorna has a hot point in black, which I'll show you next time we go to her house. I think she has a white night built-in dryer as well. So yeah, very good machine this is, and I highly recommend anyone who's looking for a nice machine, definitely buy a Bosch. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed the video, thanks for watching and bye for now.